Hello everyone, and today I'm going to tell you what have I done. The first thing is I've done an upgrade menu. It's a simple menu with some buttons, pluses and minuses, where you can add your stats to your tank so it will be faster, shooting faster, deal more damage, be a better killing machine. And that's pretty straightforward, so I've started testing it and I found a lot of bugs, as always, because it's a raw project, and the most important thing that I'm writing it myself, so there are a lot of mistakes in it. As you can see, just sometimes fine, sometimes it works horribly wrong. I'm still thinking about upgrades, like maybe I will add some more updates later to the upgrade system, or I will leave it as it is. And I have some thoughts about adding a perk system, upgrades, but we'll see how it will go. The second thing is I've tried to make a bigger spider to test like things, making a boss enemy to the game, and I've noticed an lag script that I'm using to solve my procedural animation that I have problems with it a little bit, so I need to fix it. What problems I have with that, I'm shooting arrays to find the position where to place leg from my legs, and that's a little bit inaccurate, so I made it to shoot them from the position when I bake this position from the start in an array, so then I use it. And then I've made a boss enemy. I hide him in somewhere in the map, so you can find it somewhere. Maybe link will be in description of the game, so you can try yourself. He's really slow, he cannot turn, he's slow walking, but if you get unlucky, he'll shoot you with a nuke projectile and you will die. Don't mess with him. And
it was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I made this smoking system. Maybe you've noticed that the spider's legs have some cylinders on them, so it's actually for launching smoke shells to make smoke barrier, I don't know. And I implemented it so you can see how it works. You just press the button, I binded it to the C button on the keyboard, and that's it. You shoot some projectiles and you get invisible for enemies, and actually you cannot see through it. Simple stuff, really simple, but works really cool. I'm using trigger hitboxes because I don't want to make them collidable with my projectiles, with other stuff. I think you understand me. And you can see how I use it. You can just shoot them and disappear from enemies' eyes. That's it, that's the use of it. And furthermore, you can use your drones to see the enemies while you're inside the smoke. So the second thing is the boss, the big boy, now is going to the center of the map, and you know where the center is? Yes, right the way where you spawn. It will go to your spawn and it will hunt you. So be ready to face him, get some points, upgrade your spider bot and try to defeat him. I'll say that it's really hard. You have to fully upgrade your spider bot to face that great enemy. And the last thing that I want to talk about is that in the previous video someone in the comments suggested to use some script to change trees on the terrain to a game object. It's a simple code, so I just load terrain data, then I get the instances and I choose a tree prototype that I want to change, because I want to change the closest tree, identify that tree and then remove it. But I found out you cannot change collider during the runtime. Thanks everyone for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.